What's up YouTube? Back here again for another video, and today we got an unboxing of another product and a little bit different video for you today because we have the man himself, the myth, the man, the legend, my son Mason. Alright? He's going to help us unbox this guy, take a look at it before, tell him, get the opinion of a youngster, of this guy right here, and and we can go from there. So what we have is the WLTOYS. It was the K989, I believe was the name. If you're looking on Banggood, this came from Banggood. I think it was the K989. Any which way. Yes, I know. That's the one that's in the box. So we're here with the WLTOYS. I believe this is the K989 rally car. All right, here's the box. And we got 1/28 scale, 4-wheel drive, ready to run, all in this box here. Now, I am in the US, and in this package came this piece here, and this is going to be for the adapter for the charger, but we'll get into that. So we got right here, you can see, we got the rally car, the green rally car. We'll take it out of the box, and we will go from there.
And it also has a viewing window.
Yep, it's got a viewing window. So what do you think? You're looking at it, looking at the truck, or the car right from here. Pretty cool looking, huh?
It's got look at the US symbol.
Alright, so go ahead and start taking it out of the box.
Okay.
Right, go ahead and start taking it out. Opening it up. So there we go. There is the car.
It's got the steering wheel. It's got the forward, backward.
Let's hold it up here.
It's got these buttons. I don't know what they do.
Alright, so why don't you put this in your right hand and hold it up here. Come over here. Hold it up there, so there you can see it in a 6-year-old's hand. So pull the trigger. All right, push the trigger. So you can just about barely get it, and then turn the wheel.
You can all the way get it because there's just a little bit there.
Yeah. All
These
right,
buttons,
so there
I
you
don't
go.
know what they do.
So basically, we got a basic transmitter, 4 AA's. All right.
4 AA's. It only included.
Power on and off button is right here. We got our standard trigger for forward, brake, and reverse, and our steering control. Now this is supposed to be proportional steering and all that good stuff. And then we have our steering trim and our throttle trim. So that's pretty much everything there. And we got a little bendable antenna, so that's kind of cool. So there you go. Charger. Now the battery must be inside of here. Let's go ahead and take out the canopy. So we got 4 body pins when you pull those out. And oh yeah, we got the extra gears here, so that's cool.
When I get to take
probably going to be a pinion gear.
Wait.
There's one there.
Where'd it go? Where'd the other one go?
Already losing pins? We'll find it later, not a big deal. Alright, just got them all off. Take the last one. I don't see any extra, but alright, put that up there. Let's take this guy off. So here's our Lexan body. Probably Lexan or some sort of plastic. Pretty bendable, not bad.
And look, a plugger. And this looks like it's able to.
Alright, hold on a second. So we got American flag up here, and some designs on here. Looks like DC, skateboard. I don't know, pretty cool looking.
And it's got this thing that looks like it's been glued on.
Yeah, that's a little wing.
It wasn't glued on because see?
Yeah, it's a little pop through.
Yeah.
Alright, so here's the car.
This is the battery's on this side, but you can also put it on the other side.
I don't think so. I don't think that's the way it's made. But see how the battery's made to go right here? So we got, again, some little pins here holding the battery.
Another pin.
Alright. Here's our battery. We got
5. Now there's 5 pins there.
a 400 milliamp hour, 7.4 volt with a JST and a balance connector. So this guy's running off a 2-cell. Alright, hold on, let's see what we got. So we hold it up. You see this guy here.
Oh, look at the cool wheels.
We do have a full proportional servo.
Nice design of the
nice little thin rubber wheels.
Really nice design of the inside of the wheels.
Yep. Hold on, we'll give you a second to look at it. So here's our receiver box here. We got our power for the motor, probably a brushless little ESC, on and off switch. Our brushed motor, or I mean our brushed ESC, our brushed motor, and our servo connection here.
Lid to keep the battery in.
Yep.
Lid.
We got a metal bottom plate here, which is nice to kind of keep the chassis together. We got a metal piece holding the body together, and pretty much everything else is plastic.
What's a chassis? What's a chassis?
Chassis is pretty much everything is put on to this bottom plate.
The bottom plate is the chassis?
Well, this is the bottom plate, and then kind of the whole thing is a chassis. So you're puzzling me. Thank you for that. Full shock absorbers, full steering control.
Oh, bubble wrap. Pop, 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 pop.
So yeah. So what do you think, Mason, of the car so far? What do you think?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up, right? We got some shocks in there, right?
Well, the other one was also.
We're not talking about the other one. We're talking about this one.
Well,
this is a rally car, so it's not going to have much ground clearance.
This one's a double thumbs up. The other one was just one thumbs up.
4-wheel drive. All right. Gears feel okay. Hopefully they don't strip out or nothing. 2-cell can get powerful. So yeah, there you go. A little foam bumper in the front.
Wait a minute. What's this thing under here?
That's the motor.
Oh.
That's the brushed motor down there.
And it's and this is there. It's got rounded on the top and bottom.
Right.
That's why they.
Let's put this battery in and see what we do. We have the battery put in here. Now make sure you have the connections out coming out this side, so you can just plug in this guy over here. And then once you get that plugged in, you have your on and off switch. So we do have some power in it. Okay, we got batteries in the controller now, 4 AA's, and we are blinking red and green. We will turn the car on with the on switch.
It's on.
And we have connection.
Yep.
So the light on the controller will go solid green when you have connection, and the light on the car will go solid red when you have connection, you know, full connection. So there we go, there's our 4-wheel drive, and we have proportional throttle, so you can give it just a little, or you can give it, you know, a little in reverse. So forward, brake, and reverse, and we have proportional steering in a car that is super tiny. All right, mates, let's put the...
Wait, you put 4 on there this time?
Come on.
That's awesome.
All right, so we're gonna put the lid back on, or the
body.
The body. Good call.
That's.
Okay, so here in summary.
Ready to leave the parking garage.
All right, in summary, we have the 1/28 scale WLTOYS little rally car. So far, I'm pretty impressed. As far, you know, I paid $50 for this guy. Again, ready to run with a 2-cell LiPo battery, which is cool. It's got some metal on it, full proportional steering, 4-wheel drive, and we are turned on. So as far as getting ready to drive this guy and checking it out and having some fun. So what do you think, Mason? Think you're gonna have fun with this guy?
Yes.
All right, that's all we got for now. Stay tuned for the review. So for me, Chris, and from
me.
Who's me?
Me.
And from Mason, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.
Hey.